Today we will talk about the one of the most important feature that Gmail is missing. That is email receipt. When we send an email to a person, then we cannot get any receipt from that person that he has already opened our email or read our email. This is one of the most important feature. Why this is important? That we need the email receipt. If we are sending so many emails to our clients or prospecting clients, then we need to check that who has opened our email and read the email. There are so many tools. There are so many email marketing tools like Mailchimp, Arbor, and others, Constant Contact, and so many others. But all those softwares are providing email receipt features, but Gmail is not providing. Then how we can implement the email receipt feature in Gmail? Email receipt feature can be implemented through one of the most important plugin that is available in Gmail, that is Mailtrack. This is the Mailtrack site. I'm installing here the Mailtrack plugin. I'm clicking on settings icon here and then clicking on Get Addons. Here you can find out so many plugins that are available in Gmail. What is a plugin? Plugin is an add-on, additional software that we can plug with our Gmail account. Clicking Get Addons. Add-on window is open. Now I'm finding the Mailtrack. That is the plugin. Clicking on that plugin option. Now here you will find the install button. Click on the install. Free email tracking for Gmail needs your permission in order to start installing. Actually, every plugin requires the permission from you because sometimes some bad plugins get access to your account and get important information from your account and send to other servers. Now it is not possible, but still Gmail wants that you have to accept this permission. Now I am clicking continue to provide the permission to plugin to access my account. This will not breach your security. It will only access some basic features. So you don't have to worry about anything. I'm clicking on my email account. Let's check what that plugin can access. Manage drafts and send emails when you interact with the add-ons. View your email messages when add-on is running. Run as Gmail add-on. Connect to an external service. View and manage data associated with the application. Means it cannot access your contacts. It cannot access your security features. It cannot access your password. I am allowing it. Clicking the allow button. Now it is showing that free email tracking for Gmail has all been installed. Pressing the next button. Additional setup. For tracking the email requires additional setup before user can start using it. It is mandatory to complete this setup. Now I'm clicking on this link. Install to enable email tracking. That is installing the extension, basically Chrome extension. Just click on add to Chrome. What it can do? It would read and change your data on a number of websites. That is only required for email tracking. It is installing now. Now it has been installed. That is the Chrome plugin that send you notification about the emails that has already been read. Mailtrack needs to connect to your Gmail. Yes, connect with Google. That is the Google Chrome extension. Requires that you have to connect to Mailtrack using your Gmail account. I'm just connecting. Don't worry about the security. It reads, compose, send and permanently delete all your email from Gmail. Don't have to worry about this, that it will not delete. That is a responsible site. I am clicking allow. Now installation has been complete. Go to Gmail. Here is the icon showing. That is the Mailtrack icon. If I am clicking it, that is showing some options like activity board, going to account, Mailtrack plan and pricing. I have received a security email. Mailtrack was granted access to your Google account. We can remove access at any time. I will explain about this in next lecture, that how we can remove Mailtrack from your account in case if you are not satisfied with this plugin. Now I am going to my Gmail account. Here you are seeing two tick symbols. First tick symbol represents that your email has already been sent, and second tick symbol shows that your email has been opened by the receiver. Now I am composing an email sending to my another email address. You are also seeing that two tick notifications are showing here. Now I have sent the email. A message is showing that message sent and tracked by Mailtrack. Here you are seeing that the Mailtrack's icon. Now I am going to send option. Here you are seeing that only first tick is green and second tick is all still showing gray. Let's wait. I am opening my email account to which I have already sent that email and reading that email. I have just opened email account, and after opening the email account I am going to check that I have received the notifications. Yes. In sent email, when you will check, then you will find that both tick symbols are green. It means that the receiver has already opened your email. First symbol, as I have said before, that first symbol, tick symbol, represent that email already sent, and second symbol represent receiver has opened your email. So in this way, Mailtrack works. Hoping that now you have a clear understanding about how Mailtrack works and how you can receive the email receipts. Easily can check from sent box that everybody has opened your email or not. Thank you. You can see my next lecture about how to remove the Mailtrack from your Gmail account if you don't like it.